Cultivate health right in your backyard, starting with number 10, spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K1. Easy to grow, it thrives in cool weather. Number 9, kale. High in antioxidants, it can be harvested in just 2 months. 8th is beets. These are high in fiber and folate. They enjoy cool seasons and well-drained soil. Lucky number 7, blueberries. They're antioxidant-rich and prefer acidic soil. Number 6, bell peppers. They're vitamin C champions and love warm weather. Halfway there with number 5, garlic. It's a natural immune booster and can be grown year-round. Number 4, tomatoes. They're high in vitamin C and potassium. They need plenty of sunlight. Down to number 3, almonds. These are packed with healthy fats. They require well-drained soil and full sunlight. Runner-up at number 2, quinoa. It's a complete protein and can be grown in various climates. And the top spot goes to avocados. High in healthy fats and fiber, they need well-draining soil and lots of sunshine. There you have it, 10 superfoods you can grow at home. Good health is just a garden away.